Hello everybody, welcome to Cerritos Dodge Chrysler Jeep and Ram's Parts Department. I'm Jacob Ramirez, and today I'm going to show you some cosmetic accessories for your Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, or Ram vehicles here that I have in front of me. All right, first off, we have these Jeep Wrangler off-road light kits, LED kits for the 2013 and 2018 Wrangler. They come with the 6 LED spot pattern. They come with the lights that you need, the Mopar covers here, complete wiring and everything you need to install them on your Wranglers. All right, we also have this unique cast aluminum fuel door for the 2018 and 2020 Jeep Wranglers. Give your Jeep a sporty look by adding this unique fuel filler door. It has the Jeep logo on there. It is smooth opening, no drilling installation needed, and it meets all FCA US corrosion standards. We have this chrome stainless steel exhaust tip for the 2014 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500s, 2500s. Give your Dodge Ram a nice exterior look with this clean finish. Chrome tip, they come for the 4-inch outside diameter for the 1500s, or for the diesels, they come with the 5-inch outside diameter. We do have these in stock if you're ready to come on down for them. Here we have the all-weather style slush mats for the 2007 and 2019 Jeep Wrangler. They come in a slate gray and they feature the Jeep logo. They also feature deep ribs to capture rain, mud, snow, any dirt that you have. They are a must for all weather conditions. All right, thank you all again for watching. My name is Jacob Ramirez. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment below. Stay tuned for more videos featuring parts, accessories, performance parts, and mechanical parts. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Please subscribe to our videos, and thank you very much for watching.